In a world rapidly advancing in robotics and artificial intelligence (AI), we are witnessing groundbreaking technologies that blur the line between science fiction and reality. Robot dogs sprinting 100 meters in under 10 seconds, humanoid robots being mass-produced, and AI-driven drones swarming the skies are no longer concepts of the future. They are happening now. Meanwhile, the United States and China are engaged in an AI arms race that experts fear could lead to a catastrophic conflict fueled by fleets of autonomous, lethal machines. Watch to why China's robotics are a game changer. China's rapid advancements in robotics have become a central focus of global discussions on technology and warfare. From robot canines and humanoid robots to ocean-based machines capable of carrying supplies and waging war, China's innovations are reshaping the battlefield. The tension over Taiwan is intensifying as Chinese President Xi Jinping prepares the People's Liberation Army (PLA) for a potential invasion by 2027, marking the PLA's 100th anniversary. Simultaneously, the United States is determined to maintain its lead in AI and robotics, pouring massive resources into advanced research. However, experts warn that an AI arms race could spiral into an extinction-level event if not managed responsibly. The capabilities of advanced robot dogs. Chinese companies like Unitree Robotics have unveiled robot dogs such as the B2W, capable of somersaults, scaling mountains, and even carrying a person in rescue or assault scenarios. Viral videos have showcased their agility on rugged terrain, raising concerns about their potential use in combat zones. Another model, nicknamed Black Panther 2.0, can sprint 100 meters in under 10 seconds, faster than most human sprinters. Designed with inspiration from black panthers and desert rodents, it boasts carbon fiber legs and advanced AI for balance and adaptability on various terrains. These robots, equipped with weapons and operating in packs, have earned the moniker Butcher Bots for their potential role in future warfare. Humanoid robots enter the scene. China's strides in humanoid robotics are equally impressive. Startups like iBot have rapidly scaled production, with nearly 1,000 general-purpose humanoid robots rolling off assembly lines by the end of 2024. Competing with Tesla's Optimus robot, these humanoids are already being deployed in industries like manufacturing and logistics. Other Chinese companies, such as Pudu Robotics and Fourier Intelligence, are producing humanoid robots capable of tasks ranging from warehouse operations to restaurant service. Their affordability and functionality indicate that humanoid robots may soon become a household reality. The threat of AI-driven warfare. The US and China are locked in a race to dominate AI-driven weaponry, from drones to autonomous submarines. Lessons from the Ukraine war, where drones have proven devastatingly effective, highlight the strategic advantage of mass production in prolonged conflicts. China's manufacturing capabilities, especially in consumer drones, provide a significant edge in this arena. However, the nightmare scenario extends beyond conventional warfare. Studies show that advanced AI systems are capable of deception, raising concerns about the potential for AI to develop self-preservation goals and operate beyond human control. Balancing innovation and regulation. While AI offers immense potential in fields like medicine, climate research, and energy, the militarization of these technologies threatens their positive applications. Both China and the US continue to focus on weaponizing AI, cutting safety corners in a competitive race that could have catastrophic consequences. Experts argue for global agreements on AI safety, akin to nuclear weapons treaties, to prevent uncontrolled proliferation. However, the ease of replicating software complicates enforcement. As tensions escalate, the need for responsible use of AI becomes increasingly urgent. The rapid advancements in robotics and AI hold tremendous promise for improving lives, but also carry significant risks. Without strong regulations and a commitment to responsible development, these powerful technologies could reshape warfare and society in unpredictable and devastating ways. The future depends on striking a balance between innovation and safety, ensuring that these tools are used for the benefit of humanity rather than its destruction. Gives the thumbs up if you liked the video, and visit judymarketing.com for more information.